Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your email subscription pages in HubSpot so you can control how contacts manage their communication preferences. To get started, head over to your HubSpot account and use the search bar to type in subscription until you see Email Subscription Settings, then click on it. Once selected, you'll be redirected to the Settings page. You can also access this area by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner, then navigating to Email under the Tools section. Here, you'll see the default subscription preference page. To make changes, click on Actions and then select Edit, as long as you have the proper editing permissions for the page. Keep in mind that customization access is only available with the HubSpot Marketing Pro subscription. You'll need to be subscribed to that plan in order to edit this page. You'll also find the default subscription confirmation page and the default backup unsubscribe page in this section. Once you have the appropriate subscription, you can edit these pages as well. That's all for today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links provided in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.